Hi everyone, welcome. Shelter Monkey here. So today I wanted to talk about the lowly pocket clip, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And by the way, this is not a plug for a credit union. So why do I want to talk about pocket clips? Well, there's a lot of knives being released, even today, with really poor pocket clips. And I'm not just talking about budget knives. I'm talking about $200 or $300 knives, really expensive knives that are coming out with really substandard pocket clips. So I wanted to talk about some of the technical issues involved in pocket clips. So let's get into this. So the purpose of the pocket clip is to retain the knife in your pocket. So what are some of the factors influencing retention of the pocket clip? Let me write this down for you guys. So retention. Well, one big factor is the material that the pocket clip is constructed of. Pocket clips are usually stainless steel or titanium. Now, steel and titanium have very different properties. The Young's modulus of stainless steel is approximately twice that of titanium, and steel is a much stiffer metal than titanium. The second issue is the geometry of the beam. And by beam, I mean this portion of the pocket clip. So beam geometry. And that includes both the cross-sectional shape of the beam and also the length of the beam. So another factor is preload. And by preload, I mean how the manufacturer designed the clip. They can design the clip with an angle built into it so that even when there's no material between the clip and the handle, there's already spring tension on the clip. A fourth factor is the surface characteristics of the handle. And that would include both the material of the handle, whether it's stainless steel, titanium, or G10 or carbon fiber, and also the texture of the surface. So texture. Okay, another factor influencing retention is the nub geometry. And by nub, I mean that portion of the clip that presses against your pocket. So what is the ideal nub geometry? Well, to give you an example of that, we can look at the lowly pocket clip on just a cheap pen. If you look at the shape of it, this is pretty much the ideal shape for a pocket clip. So you have a portion that goes down, and then it angles, and then it gradually gets flatter and has a flat section, and then you can have a higher angle on the back side of the nub, and then you have the beam. So this kind of shape is generally the ideal shape for a pocket clip. Okay, so now I want to get into some actual concrete examples of pocket clips. Some which are good, some which are not so good, and some which are horrible in my opinion. So we have the good, we have the bad. Actually, this guy is going to be bad or not good. And also the truly ugly. And by ugly, I don't mean the aesthetic appearance of the pocket clip. I mean the functionality of the pocket clip. So let's go through some examples. Okay, first, this is a steel pocket clip. This is a Benchmade, one of their short clips that they have on some of their newer knives, like their bug out. This is steel. It provides plenty of retention. It's plenty stiff enough. And this is a good clip. So this goes into the good. Okay, let me pick another one. Okay, on this guy, we have a stainless steel wire pocket clip. It's stiff enough. It has enough retention. So this is a good. Also, I'll put this in the good too. Okay, pick another one. Okay, this guy here is a titanium clip, and it does not provide enough retention in the pocket. It's just too easy to pull out. So I'm going to put this one between the bad and the ugly. Okay, here's another guy. On this one, we have another milled titanium clip. This guy is actually stiff enough, but if you take a look at the nub there, the nub shape is kind of a spike, and that's not really an ideal shape for a clip. So this guy is going to go in the bad. Okay, pulling another one out. Okay, here we have a budget knife with a stainless steel clip. It's plenty stiff enough, provides plenty of tension, slides into the pocket, in and out easy enough, but retains the knife well. So this one is going to go in the good. Let me bring that into frame. Okay, another milled titanium pocket clip. Another clip that is not quite stiff enough or doesn't have enough preload on it. So pocket retention is rather poor with this one. So I'm going to put this in the bad. Okay, zero tolerance. This guy is a steel clip. It's plenty stiff enough, provides good retention. I am going to put this in the good. Oops, I just bumped the camera. Okay, another milled titanium pocket clip. This one does not provide enough retention in the pocket, even though the shape of the nub is pretty much ideal. So this one is going to go in the not good. Running out of space. Okay, here is another titanium pocket clip. The shape of the nub is pretty decent, and it actually provides enough retention. So this guy is going to go in the good. Can you see that? Okay, here we have a Kershaw with a pretty basic stainless steel pocket clip. This works well. It works very good. I'm going to put it in the good. I just do not have enough space. Okay, here we have a cold steel, again with the stainless steel pocket clip. It slides into the pocket in and out fine, but it has plenty of retention. So this is another good. Wow, I'm totally running out of space here. Okay, good. Okay, this guy, this is a Kaiser with a titanium pocket clip. I moved the clip to the other side, but on the side of the knife that the clip comes on standard, this is a horrible, because right here you have the lock bar cutaway, and this actually traps the material of your pocket between the cutaway and the pocket clip. So the knife slides into your pocket fine, but pulling the knife out of your pocket is very difficult because the material gets caught here. So this guy goes into the ugly. Okay, here we have another budget knife. This is a Ganzo with a basic stainless steel clip. It's stiff enough. It provides enough retention. This is another good. I just don't know where to put these. Okay, here we have a Sog Terminus Xr, which I just reviewed last week. This is a stainless steel clip. So you might think this clip is good. However, this clip is ugly. And the reason is that the material in your pocket can get caught up here between the end of the knife and become trapped. It traps the knife in your pocket. And I have, in my review of this knife, I show this actually trapping the knife in my pocket. So it makes the knife extremely difficult to get out of your pocket. If you have very stiff pockets, I mean, the fabric is very stiff, this may not be an issue for you. But with my pockets, it was definitely an issue. So this guy is ugly. Okay, one more. Let's see. Let me bring this guy in. Okay, you have a beg knife. So this guy has a bearing-shaped nub on the end. Can you see that? The bearing is fixed in place. It does not rotate. This guy needs a category of its own. And I'm going to create a new category for it. This category is going to be the stupid category. This guy goes in the stupid category. It's just a gimmick. So remember, the ideal shape of a pocket clip nub looks like that. So this guy, even though it's an expensive knife, it's going in the stupid category. So if you have any comments about clips, please comment below. Also, if you could like and subscribe and do all that, I appreciate it. And thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye now.